Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel. Today I will tell you how do you have to use Duolingo for your speaking skill in English. So I'm going to open my browser, open Duolingo in your browser. Okay, so I am at section 5 unit 7 and I will have to complete this lesson. Click on it and start 28 points.
Truffle trouble.
So click on
B
Jari. Okay.
arrives at Eddie's
You
kitchen
have
with a
to
bag of
talk this
ingredients.
sentence. You have to talk this sentence out loud. Like B arrives at Eddie kitchen with a bag of ingredients. You have to talk out loud this sentence and
Okay, Eddie,
next.
I have everything for your
So,
big date
okay
tonight.
Eddie, I have
We're
everything
making
for
a
you big
gourmet
date
truffle
tonight. We
pasta.
are making a gourmet truffle pasta. So, whenever you until you are not perfect to say this sentence, you have to repeat again. Okay, Edie, I have everything for your big day today. We are making a gourmet truffle pasta. I'm not perfect to say this sentence yet, so I will speak it again. Okay, Edie, I have everything for your big day tonight. We are making a gourmet truffle pasta. B arrives at Edie's kitchen with a bag of ingredients. Okay, Edie, I have everything for your big date tonight. We are making a gourmet truffle pasta. So I am able to speak it very confidently and very clearly. I will just next.
Sounds great. What's a truffle?
Sound great. What's a topic?
It's a very expensive
It's a
mushroom.
very expensive
Very
mushroom.
sophisticated. Your date will be so
Sophist-
impressed.
sophisticated. Your date will be so impressed. So there is a question, you have to choose right answer. So Bean says truffle are a fancy mushroom. Yes, that's right.
Perfect.
Perfect.
You're the
You are at the
best,
best,
B.
Bean.
Let's tackle
Let's
this like a
tackle this
championship
like a
game.
championship game. So you have to practice like this until you are not perfect to say any say any sentence out loud.